Most people think waking up at 4:30 a.m. is about discipline. But here's something strange. Some people wake up at 4:30 every single day without hitting snooze, without feeling miserable, and without waiting for motivation. The difference is not willpower. It's a few hidden habits that change how your brain treats sleep. Today, I'll show you 6 secrets that make waking up at 4:30 a.m. feel almost automatic. And secret 5 is the one that changed my consistency the most. Secret 1. Protect your sleep time. This sounds backward. Most people obsess over the morning alarm, but the real battle is 8 hours earlier. If you sleep at 12:30 a.m. and expect to wake up at 4:30 a.m., your body treats that as an emergency, not a routine. Instead of saying, "I want to wake up at 4:30," say, "I need to be asleep by 9:30. That one shift changes everything. Successful early risers don't chase away uptime. They protect a sleep time. Secret 2. Use the 15-minute rule. Here's the mistake that makes most people quit within 3 days. They go from 8 a.m. to 4:30 a.m. in one night. Your body hates sudden changes. So do this instead. 8 a.m. to 7:45 a.m., 7:45 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Move earlier by 15 minutes every 3 to 4 days. It feels slow, but it creates a rhythm your body can actually maintain. And remember, consistency beats intensity every time. Secret 3. Make the alarm impossible to ignore. If your alarm is next to your pillow, you've already lost. Your half-asleep brain will turn it off before you're even conscious. Place your phone across the room. Better yet, keep it near the bathroom. The goal is simple. Make standing up the easiest option. Because once your feet touch the floor, the chance of going back to sleep drops dramatically. Secret 4. Give your brain a reason to wake up. Think about this. When you have a trip, exam result, or something exciting the next morning, you often wake up before the alarm. Why? Because your brain has a reward waiting for it. Most people wake up to nothing. Just darkness and another study session. Create a morning reward. Maybe it's your favorite coffee, a peaceful walk, a gym session, or 1 hour of uninterrupted work on a goal you genuinely care about. The morning should feel like a privilege, not a punishment. Secret 5. Decide tomorrow before you sleep. This is the secret that changed my consistency the most. Before sleeping, write one sentence on a piece of paper. Tomorrow at 4:30 a.m., I will wake up and do not study more, be productive, be specific. For example, tomorrow at 4:30 a.m., I will revise chapter 3 for 45 minutes. At 4:30 a.m., a sleepy brain doesn't want to think. It wants instructions. And you already gave them the night before. Secret 6. Never negotiate with the alarm. The moment the alarm rings, your brain starts a negotiation. Just 5 more minutes. I'll wake up early tomorrow. That negotiation is the real enemy. Create one non-negotiable rule. Alarm rings equals body moves. No thinking. No mental debate. Just movement. Because every time you obey the alarm immediately, you strengthen an identity. I am someone who wakes up when I decide to. And identity is far more powerful than motivation. So if you want to wake up at 4:30 a.m. consistently, remember these 6 secrets. Protect your sleep time. Use the 15-minute rule. Make the alarm impossible to ignore. Create a morning reward. Decide tomorrow before sleeping. Never negotiate with the alarm. Waking up at 4:30 a.m. is not about becoming a superhuman. It's about removing the tiny decisions that make most people fail before sunrise. Try these 6 secrets for the next 14 days. You won't just wake up earlier. You'll build a morning routine that starts running on autopilot.